This condensed milk bread is so soft and very tasty with condensed milk flavor. Who wants to eat bread in a different way, then this bread is perfect option. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special, soft and fluffy condensed milk bread, and as usual we'll start our recipe by activating the yeast. Take 250 ml of warm milk. Into that add 30 grams of sugar. Stir and dissolve the sugar. When sugar dissolves, add 6 grams of dry yeast. Mix and cover the lid. Set this mixture aside for 10 minutes. Now in a mixing bowl, take 500 grams of all-purpose flour. To this, add 5 grams of salt. Mix well salt and flour. Now it's time to add some wet ingredients. Add 80 grams of condensed milk to the flour. Add 1 whole egg. Don't add egg directly. First break in separate bowl, then add. This will avoid any egg shell falling, and if egg is spoiled, you can replace. Now add yeast mixture to it. Mix all the ingredients to form a dough. When all the ingredients mixed well, add 50 grams of unsalted butter, which is in room temperature. Mix well butter and dough. Here I am using all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour as well. When butter absorbed by the dough, spread some flour on the working surface. Drop the dough and start to knead the dough till it becomes elastic. You can spread some flour on the top to avoid sticking, but do not add too much. Look, consistency should be like this as I'm showing. Now graze the bowl with oil or butter. Place the dough in it and cover with damp cloth or stretch film. Rest it for 1 hour or till the dough grows double in size. After 1 hour, our dough grows double in size. Drop the dough onto the working surface. Press gently to make the gas out. Now cut it into 2 equal parts. Adjust the 2 parts to form a rectangle shape. Now roll it out to smoothen the surface. Now from one edge, roll the dough to form a cylinder shape. Seal the edges by pressing. Now cut it into 2 cm width size along the length. Glaze the mold and place the cutted pieces into the mold. Cover with stretch film or damp cloth. If you are using stretch film, do not cover it tightly. Leave some gap so that dough will grow freely. Rest it for about 1 hour or till it grows double in size. After 1 hour, apply egg yolk wash. This will give good color while baking. Now bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our condensed milk bread loaf is ready. Mix 1 tablespoon of condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of room temperature butter and apply on the top of the bread. This will give extra flavor to the bread. Look how soft and fluffy is our bread. It's very tasty. If anyone wants to try the different kind of bread, then try this bread. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.